The theme of this year's summit, BRICS in Africa, comes as the continent seeks to firm up diplomatic relations with the BRICS nations. South Africa, the host of this year's summit, is expected to present BRICS leaders with a proposal to expand its membership. At least 40 countries have so far expressed interest in joining the bloc of nations. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa has reaffirmed his country's long-standing policy on non-alignment. According to South Africa's Trade Minister Ibrahim Patel, leaders meeting here will discuss new ways of global governance. Patel urged the BRICS Council of Ministers to push for innovation and adapt to the new world order as opposed to business as usual. He urged the delegates to embrace the power of the private sector as a driver to economic growth on the continent. Delegates here are also making the argument for a new global trading architecture based on fairness. Brazilian Minister of Finance, Fernando Haddad, called on the delegates to strive for a better world that meets the needs of all people.
We have necessary minerals for that transition fast through the methods that we establish. I sincerely believe that Africa and South America could be a platform for diversification and global world activities.
The BRICS leaders will address the summit this evening. Decision on the key issues discussed here is expected at the close of the summit. Daniel Arab Moy, CGTN, Sandton Convention Center, Johannesburg, South Africa.